morning. You are most welcome in Dr. Saurabh's classes. In this video series, we are going to discuss solution of the questions of Combined Geo-Scientist Main Examination 2026 Chemistry and paper second. In this question paper, all questions are the subjective type of questions. Maximum of the 10 marks. Okay. So according to the pattern of exam, we will discuss the solution of this question. Question is that in a photochemical reaction, the following data were obtained using an actinometer. What is actinometer? Actinometer is an instrument to measure the radiations or rays capacity. Okay. Now, number of photons absorbed per second is 2.0 into 10 to the power 16, and rate of formation of product molecules 3.6 into the 10 to the power 16 molecules per second. Now calculate the quantum yield of the reaction, and second one is the what does the obtained value indicate about the nature of the mechanism. They are asking about the type of the mechanism because of the sometime reaction is the free radical reaction or carbocation or carboanion. And third one is the name of the one reaction from the syllabus where such behavior is observed. Explain your choice. According to our syllabus of this examination, we can put an example for the satisfaction of this reaction type. Okay. So now start the solution, and in this solution, according to the first question, calculate the quantum yield. So what is the formula of quantum yield? So first we will write the formula of the quantum yield. And the scientist, they can calculate the quantum yield of any reaction with the help of this type of the instrument, that is the actinometer. Okay. So now formula is the equal to quantum yield, so is equal to rate of product formation and divided by rate of photons absorbed, because of the formation of product depends on the absorption of the photons from the light rays. Okay. Now how to calculate it? In the question there are the two values is given: absorption quantum and product quantum. So we will put the both values in this formula. For the product, see 3.6 in 10 to the power 16 molecules per second is given. The absorption capacity is the 3.6 into 10 to the power 16 molecules per second divided by absorption per second is the 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 16. After the calculation of this equation, we will get 1.8. Our quantum yield is the 1.8 molecules per second. Unit is the molecules per second. Okay. Now question number second is the what does the obtained value indicate about the nature of the mechanism. This mechanism, so we can interpret this with the help of the proper interpretation. And according to our interpretation, because of the value of the quantum yield is greater than 1. That means indicate the mechanism of a chain reaction. Okay. And according to the question number third, give an example of a given reaction. So we can here write the example of the chain reaction. A very good example of the chain reaction, that is the formation or production of HCl, hydrochloric acid, by a photochemical reaction. You can put this example, and this mechanism occurred in the 3 steps. Number 1 is the initiation step, second is the propagation step, and third is the termination step. In this initiation, formation of the free radical. In this propagation step, formation of the HCl. In this termination step, there is the destroying or the combination of the two free radicals and stop of the reaction. In this third step, the reaction will be stopped. Okay, you can give the this example. It is a very good example because of the formation of the HCl by the photochemical reaction. Yield is very high. Yield is the very high. That is the quantum yield is good in between the 10 to the power 4 and 10 to the power 6. So you can give this example with the all three steps: initiation, propagation, and termination. Okay. Thank you.